Hi guys, never an active YouTuber, but I want to vlog this because I got some yummy In-N-Out food. Look at this. I want to eat this. It's In-N-Out animal style well done fries. I want to try that because it looks so good. And then I have a milkshake somewhere. I don't know what Tiffany did with it. We got milkshake, that, fries, and then my vegetarian grilled cheese. That's so good. I wish I vlogged earlier, but I didn't. But ooh, I want to eat this and get my reaction. It's so messy, you can't even get it.
I love your fries.
Oh my god, this is so good. Vegetarian grilled cheese, oh my god. The fries. I love In-N-Out. It's so good, guys. Yummy. Eating the food, Mason? Is it yummy? I'm so hungry. It's so good. These fries, guys, are really yummy. I love it. I'm so happy I was able to try them. And the vegetarian grilled cheese is really good. It's animal style, well done. Yeah?
I love natural fries. One that has natural on it.
Well, it's not natural. It's just this stuff in there, and it's animal style, well done. You could have some in a little bit. Do you like it, Tiffany? Yum, all the good food, huh? So yummy. Guys, I'm at the mall again, and this reminds me of like Divergent, Insurgent, all that stuff with all the like otherworldly stuff. It's getting taken apart. Just reminds me of that movie. So I was just at like Burlington Ross, guys, and I got some really cool Buddha statues. I can't wait to show you guys a haul video. And now at the mall. Can't wait to go get some fun stuff. Got my strawberry milkshake. So good. He's in the guest store trying on this awesome jacket. I like the 3 stripes on it. Looks pretty cool. Wearing too much white. What's up with me trying to get white because I have so much black? But kind of like this jacket. Barnes & Noble, guys. Look, they have the huge Harry Potter hat. It's so funny. And then they got like a little Slytherin book down there. And over here they have $5 books for such a good deal. Edgar Allan Poe, all these nice books. They look really nice and they're gonna look good on my Insta. Guys, I'm at Starbucks now and look at all the yummy stuff. They got all the yummy drinks. I'm all like tired right now, my throat's all dry. And then they got all the yummy treats, the sandwiches. I really like all the chocolate looking stuff. I'm ordering a black tea lemonade. So gonna get that made. And then I found one book in here that I'm liking, and yeah, excited. Hi guys, look at my new car I just got. I got this cool Mustang car. Got some cool pictures with my spiritual accessories on it. Gonna go drive right now to Target. Gonna get some fun stuff. And look, let me just give you a little car tour. So I have this really cool car. It's this new Mustang car I just bought. I'm getting it detailed right now. I'm getting it detailed and it's gonna be wrapped in some gold chrome wrap or silver wrap. I forget what wrap I'm doing, but I'm doing one of those. Lance 210 who? Replacing Lance 210 by Lance. We've just been replaced. Asian market, guys. Haven't been here in so long. Getting the goods, getting magical herbs and candies. And they have so many different ones. I want to get everything. Look at all the candies.
Oh my god.
Are you excited, Mason? There's so much awesome stuff in here. Mochi ice cream. It's still as expensive as in the mountains, but so many fun flavors. What, Mason? I know, I'm getting some. Look what my mom pointed out, guys. They have a huge mortar and pestle at the 99 Ranch. This would be good for making big batches. Don't need you yet, but smaller ones are the big mortar and pestle. Very magical. Hey guys, what? Here at the 99 Ranch Market, and I guess there's a store. Oh, I wish I could go in. Look. Oh, I can? Oh, guys, look, this is so cool. I wish I was able to go in. Oh, it's so spiritual. It's got all the Asian good luck stuff. She has the evil eye, guys, to protect you from negative energy. She's got all the good luck charms. Wait, Mason. She has all the good luck charm. She has like the golden pig in there, red envelope. She has Buddha back here and all that cool stuff. And the big tiger. Oh, that's so nice. I want it. And above here, guys, she has all that cool stuff. All the Asian good luck charm for Chinese New Year. I wish I could go in. This sucks. Hopefully another day my dad could take me in there. That's so cool. Awesome. These are the incense, guys. Ooh, it smells like dead stuff. Ooh, you burn this for your ancestor, the money, but I want to use this in money magic. Ooh, they got all this cool stuff and all the incense, guys. So many cool things. Bright candles. Ooh, very magical. So many cool stuff. Ooh, look at these burners, guys. The Asian incense burner. And they got those, and then they have these down here with the Maitreya Buddha. I'm in heaven. Mason's favorite Buddha is Maitreya. too much today, guys, but they have the lucky bamboo. I'm totally gonna get some of these for my altar. They look so pretty. Look at the big ones, smaller ones. Ooh, so getting some for my altar. I love them. Hi guys, I'm so exhausted and got home. I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue this vlog. I'm just so tired. So got my little, what do you call this? I can't even talk. I'm so tired. My like water glow Buddha Amitabha. Love that. And I got my book that I bought. The Tao of Craft. It's like Buddhism in the old days when they did crafting, like magic, and it had to be hidden because the emperor like banned doing like magic, kind of like King Arthur. And yeah, I got like a big mess in my room right now. I just filmed my haul video of all the stuff I bought, and then there's all junk down there. Tiffany's reading my book, and it's just like, oh, I gotta clean this mess up. It's always when you go shopping, it's such a hard life of a shopper, right? And doing YouTube, I'm just like, oh, now I gotta put everything away, so gonna probably shower, put some stuff away, and go on to the next day. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Happy birthday, Maisie loves Dad.
Okay. Which one do you want him to open first, Eric?
Either one he wants. Yeah,
He
let's see.
decorated it, honey.
Let's see what's in there. I used the Sharpies.
Bubbles.
Those are, there are bubbles. Oh, big.
Let's see.
I know what
I got size 8.
Oh, he didn't even see it. He got you Vans, honey. Remember you used to buy him Vans?
Oh.
Do you like it?
I got size 12. I hope those fit.
You and Eric used to always have neck. What else you got to open next?
Those ones I don't think are gonna be as exciting. I don't remember.
You know what this is, Mason?
No, I do.
Uh-oh.
Are they the right size though? Because he wrote that one. Okay. Okay, open it. Oh, his finger gets torn.
Just woke up. We're all tired right now. I'm so tired. Yep.
You need it.
Hi, Macy.
The right.
Okay.
Carry the bag. I don't think Mason can.
Hi, Macy. Love you.
It's a little bit healthy.
It's so cute.
Heavy?
It's a little
It's heavy. I
bit.
got so much in there. There's so much tissue paper.
I'll take out the tissue paper.
There's so much.
Oh my god.
It had to look extra for the pictures.
What is that? A shirt?
Like for the weekends, more of a dress-up one. You're welcome. I wish they were more affordable over there, but I'm like, let me just get something.
I think you're making mom
Can
happy
I
with
see
these
the
shirts.
front? Let me see.
Don't worry, there's something in there
That's
for
cute,
you.
honey. I like the color because you don't have anything gray. You have a lot
Oh,
of light.
matches Mason.
This one's- yeah, that would make mommy happy, definitely.
Another dress.
That one was a good deal on clearance.
Ew.
I think you'll
Let me
see
see
the
the
price. I
front.
didn't take it off.
Black? Your dad already has
That
a
one's
black
green.
shirt.
In the
Yeah,
store, it
has
looked
like
green
a
to
little
me.
green
Like a
tone to
dark
it, huh,
green.
honey?
Almost like a
Like
grayish
hunter. Grayish green.
No, that one will make you happy.
Ne-
What's this?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, does it say Green Day?
Yeah, it says Green Day.
What does it say?
Ford one?
Mm-hmm, because you used to have your Ford truck.
Let me see. Oh, cool. You like Ford t-shirt, honey?
Sure.
Okay. Did he do good?
You're welcome.
He doesn't take it back.
What,
I didn't know what cars, so I knew you liked that one.
That's part of shoes.
Mm-hmm, more shoes. A happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday.
Okay, Mason.
I'm eating this really yummy thing right now, guys. It's like this Asian bread with some soy milk. It's so good. I love it. Guys, next day, just wanted to come off and end the vlog. Gonna eat some breakfast at this huge fat piece of yummy marbled cake. It looks so good. And some milk. So yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Blessed be.